So most traders probably lost money today, but I only needed one clean trade. So let me show you what most people did wrong and why I waited for instead. So hey guys, welcome back. So the trade which I'm talking about was yesterday. Let me show you on the replay. It was this 4 hour which I had played. So this was the range. Let me color it on green for you guys. And this was the drawn liquidity. We got the soup. This was the soup. So we got a 5 a.m. soup and the 9 a.m. just pushed above. So it was very simple. I had an SMT also with the GU, and also look at this. Asian session was complete chop. Look at this, chop, chop, chop. It was full chop, chop, chop. I was waiting here. I was waiting here, waiting, waiting, waiting. Midnight it was. I was waiting, and then during London 1:30, we did get this kind of a setup. You could have taken this too. I did take this too, and then I exited long before TP. This was the drawn liquidity because we had the other candle. We had the 5 a.m. candle which was swooping here below. This was also entry there, and I was just focusing. Okay, let's shoot for this target, but I took the 50%. Romeo. Remember, Romeo says take off your trades at 50%. So I took the 50% over here. If you look at here, I took this trade, and I saw over here on the lower time frame it was reversing back. If you go into the lower time frame, you would know what is happening in here. I knew it was going to reverse back, so I had quit my trade over there. So that was the morning trade, and the best one was this one, guys, over here, because look at this, chop, 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 range, 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 and then boom. You know where it went? It went straight to the 4 hour key level. Look at the shell. Let me show you the key level. This was the key level. We had a perfect FEG here, and we had an FEG on the GU. No, we didn't have. We had on the DXY. Yeah, DXY also we had, but we had an SMT there. DXY didn't go to this FEG, but Euro did. So that was another trigger to pull the trigger there. So as soon as this closed above, it was closing above, you had an entry here. This was the order block, and guess what? It went straight to your TP. This was your TP, exactly here, and it went little bit above, and boom. Romeo says you gotta be on that candle where it just pushes up. It's usually the third candle. That's exactly was this one. The 9 a.m. open, it just shoot up, and this was so perfect. You imagine you got in here. I was only went to the TP, not even 50%. Never retraced to the 50%. Just went straight to your TP, and boom, you are out of this trade. It was so beautiful. And if you look at GU, we had an SMT there also. GU didn't go above. If you look at here, this candle, which was the 9 a.m. candle, can you see here? It never went above this, whereas this one went. So that was another SMT to pull off your trade over there, because like Romeo says, every entry is an exit and exit is an entry. That's what happened over here, because you had to exit right there at your TP. You do not hold thinking that we might get more. That's when you get greedy. But if you're a trader who trades on the 4 hour, and if you're looking for a 4 hour trade, this was it. By awaiting a lot of chop, 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 a lot of waiting, you had all your patience in here during London session and Asian session, and then comes New York session. There comes the boom candle and the thick down close candle. There was a thick down close candle, You just cannot avoid looking at this kind of a candle. You cannot. Can you see it here? It's just down close, thinking that all the traders would have been bearish over here, and boom, the next candle just went short up, and this was the perfect 15 minutes OB there. This one was super perfect 15-minute OB. This was a 15-minute OB. You just cannot deny. And yeah, if you want to enter on the lower time frame, like I say, do not go for it. You can lower down your entries. I would go still here. You could do it till here, but you need to play around with a lot of 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frames, and even the 3 minutes. I go with 1, 3, and 5 if you want these kind of entries over here. So yeah, that was my entry on this setup. It was super clean, and I hope you guys got this. If not, learn from this. It happens every single day, and all you need is, you just need an X-ray vision, just like Romeo says. You need an X-ray vision to spot these kind of setups. So watch out, guys. Watch out. Back test it, forward test it. Be on the charts for London and New York. And if you're on the charts from day to evening, then you're gonna master this even better than me in maybe 6 months or less than that if you put in the work every day. So that's my small advice to you guys. So hope you find this useful. If so, please give me a like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming, and more. There are more interesting videos coming. There are more secret videos also lined up. So please subscribe if you are looking for more learning educational curve from my channel. So yep, thanks for watching. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.